What's going on YouTube? This your boy Terrence T from Everything is Everything. Currently here in Dougherty County, Georgia, Albany, and come up here to see exactly how bad was it in Dougherty County. I'm no stranger to tornado damage. One hit our city where I was from in 01, I believe it was. Another one came back on the same path in 04. So and they were of the same magnitude, both EF3s that hit in Camilla, Georgia, and the one that hit up here in Dougherty County, Albany, Georgia. So just sit tight. I'm gonna try to get some footage here. My camera may be a little shaky, but let's see what I can do with that. It's your boy Terrence T. Drive like they in Florida somewhere. So. Okay, we're coming in on the south end here where the RV park is. There is water on both sides of the road. Coming in, should be able to view some damage here shortly. Passing the racetrack. Now I thought they had shut this road here down. Apparently they've opened it. I guess they use it as an access road. Got some damage over there. Let's see it. Dougherty County Police. Coming up on the intersection here, where it actually passed. This is going up on Holly Drive, just passing the auction right now. Yeah. Power lines down on the left. Truck right here, this utility truck. Yeah. We got troopers everywhere. I'm talking everywhere. Steeple gone on that church. See some of the damage here. It is pretty severe right there. That church right there is just gone, demolished. Yeah, it got it pretty bad. See all back there. On the right is that service station in Sitco. No longer exists. This is ground zero for it right here. We're shooting. Let's see where they got it. Where you can drive down Holly Drive, which we're going to attempt to do. So, this tornado was reported to be 1.2 miles wide, and from the aftermath, I can say yes, bear witness to it, to where this is a state patrol office here. Real bad. People got hit. Hit good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go down Mark Road by the logistics base and see how far we can go down. If I can get to the light, the intersection down there, man. That'll be good. All the damage will be on the right, though. So we're not going to be able to go down actual road. Okay, yeah, this is Sylvester Road. See, there's got to be a lot of damage now. This is the PNG add-on addition on the left. I'm trying to pan this camera, y'all, and let's just let me show y'all total destruction over there. Total devastation. No one got injured over there, though. No one got injured. So we're gonna pan back over to the right, and I'm getting in the turnaround to the left. Y'all see through my window there. That's a nice house right there. This got all devastation. Yes. It's just devastation. Got all types of state troopers. On the left here used to be a gas station. It's gone. And we're gonna ride right down past the Marine base, which was gonna be on the right. And y'all see this? Y'all see all this devastation? It's just, I won't say amazing, but it's astonishing what Mother Nature can do. I mean, you got trailers pushed in the bushes and the trees and stuff. I gotta give it up for Georgia State Patrol, because they are out in force, in numbers. This used to be a neighborhood right here. Y'all see all that wind, how the wind pushed that fence up and stuff. I'm paying them kind of quick because I'm driving, trying to keep up with traffic, so you know I won't be a nuisance to traffic. But this over here, man, golly, it's gonna be a while before Albany recovers from this. Okay, all that is the Marine base. back there. All those trees toppled over. Snapped off like twigs. Stuff. Pecan orchard. Okay, I'm gonna bring you back in front of me. Y'all can see what I'm seeing. This guy in front of me is just, I guess he's getting firewood or whatever. I see everybody would be on this side. To the left of the storm, because the trees are pulling into it. Remind you that tornadoes they spin from right to left, counterclockwise. So all the trees are pointing, towards the right from where I'm going. So it was spinning from right to left. So they was caught in the southern end of the vortex, being pulled in. Now if I ride on the other side, trees will be pulling towards the left, like they're being spent around, being thrown out, which is actually the most powerful side of a tornado is on the right side. So we're just gonna cruise here, and let's see, can I put my camera back? Set it back down so we can actually have both hands on the steering wheel. And I want to take you guys out to we're gonna ride out by the flea market here, and there was some devastation out there. So Albany, Georgia. Again, just a little info on this EF3 tornado. It was reported from the weather center that it carved a track of, I think, 70 to 77 miles long. So it stayed on the ground for 77 miles. And through Doherty County, Worth County, and so forth. So once it touched down, and it was down until it went back up. Okay, we're currently out here by the flea market, Kitty's Flea Market in Albany, Georgia. Trying to get some footage of the aftermath of this EF3 tornado. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can see there's the state troopers lights, the blue lights, distinctive blue lights. I see treetops snapped off. This is to my right. This is the old Cooper Tire building. It went through here and just caused great damage to that facility there. If y'all can see that out in the distance. That is just something. Alright, we're gonna pan back to the left. Y'all can see these trees down. This is Kitty's Flea Market on my left. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get in the turning lane, and I'm gonna actually just I'm gonna turn around right here at the flea market, and we're gonna go back. And I should have rolled on down as far as I could go. Y'all can't see that, but I see some blue lights down the street. So they got, I think that's another neighborhood subdivision on down. Bear with me. I know I'm moving the camera a lot. I don't have my prop, my stick, but this is Kitty's Flea Market. You know, they had some good stuff out here. You know, on Saturdays and Sundays, a good place to bring your family and kids and just enjoy, you know, shopping and bargains and stuff. I'm gonna set my camera back up here. I've got my other HD camera sitting down here, but I don't wanna turn it on because I'll have to actually hold it. Let me give y'all a good look of this. Is Cooper Tire, the old Cooper Tire building, all the way back there as far as you can see the loading dock and stuff. Albany has such a dense population, and anything like a tornado wise is going to cause tremendous a tremendous amount of damage due to the simple fact that it's such a dense populated city. The population is real dense, and neighborhoods are packed with residents, people and stuff. So. Something to see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to backtrack, and we're going to go back to Holly Drive, and I saw where people actually had access to that road that part of Holly Drive where the mobile home park got hit, was devastated. And so we're gonna go down that portion of Holly Drive and connect at Radium Springs and come back up to Oak Ridge and that'll end this segment of my coverage here in Dougherty County for the moment. I was hesitant about bringing my helicopters up here. Well, the one that I use, the T-Rex 700, and getting aerial footage, you know, trying to stay within the FAA regulations. You know, you have to keep yourself up to date on that, because they don't want to hear that you didn't know. So if you are a RC pilot, then it's your responsibility on keeping up to date with the rules and the regulations that they have. It's still somewhat the same as regular aircraft pilots that fly the real planes. So our ceiling is like 400 feet, but in a disaster area, then it's no flying. You know, it's restrictions to the RC hobbyist. And if you have a profession where you are actually, you know, search and rescue, and you have the high resolution cameras like I have, and the infrared, they call it FLIR, and then you're using that as part of the search and rescue, then yeah, that's part of the recovery efforts, then yeah, you good. But we're currently here back over by the Marine base, and like I said, turning this camera every which way. And I showed you guys one time before how the trees, excuse me, y'all see that, how the trees, the direction the trees are pointing. I mean, every last one of them are pointing that way. Being sucked into it. So that tells me that they were on the left side of the storm. Tornadoes spin counterclockwise, and they travel in a west-northwest direction. So it's exactly the path it took, west-northwest. So spinning counterclockwise. So yeah, this is a neighborhood over here that we're gonna come up on when we passing past these railroad tracks here. I mean, it's just insulation, still in the trees. You see the tin, how the tin is in the trees, and man, you see that? That's a piece of tarp or something. Yeah, it's a piece of tarp. is this neighborhood. People are trying to piece their lives back together. Look like some people over there barbecuing. So these are Georgia's finest state. Back in the turn lane, we'll make a right on Sylvester Road, head back into town.